Okay, bestie, stop scrolling. I just read the craziest thing. People who rely on EBT could lose November food stamp payments starting November 1, 2025, like actual grocery money. And states are already warning folks. I'm freaking out, and we need to talk about what this means, who's affected, and what to do next. Let's spill the tea like we're FaceTiming. Welcome back to the channel. If you love nails, affordable hauls, and gossipy deep dives, you're in the right place. Hit subscribe and the bell. I'll keep you posted on the buzziest stories that actually affect real people. Now, let's go. The short version, a federal funding lapse, a government shutdown, means some states are saying they cannot send November SNAP, food stamp EBT benefits unless funding is restored. That means people who depend on that money to buy groceries could suddenly be scrambling, and food banks are bracing for a surge. I know, it's wild and upsetting. What's happening? Right now, the USDA has told states not to distribute November SNAP funds while the federal shutdown continues. Several state agencies, like Oklahoma, Texas, Pennsylvania, and others, have posted that payments could be suspended starting November 1st, 2025, unless Congress federal authorities restore funding. Who's affected? SNAP helps about 42 million people nationwide, families, seniors, kids. Some states will try to stretch contingency funds, but many have warned that without federal money, they can't issue benefits in November. Why this is happening? This isn't a program-level decision. It's a funding problem caused by a federal shutdown. When some federal agencies are not funded, they can't transfer money to states for SNAP issuance. Real-life impact. Imagine your EBT card normally loads your grocery money on the 1st. Now you might open the fridge and be like, oh no, because the money never posted. Folks are panicking, food banks are prepping, and low-income families could face immediate shortages. Girl, what's wild is the comment sections right now. People are snapping. Like you've got parents posting screenshots of their empty EBT accounts saying, I don't know how I'm going to feed my kids next week, while others are clapping back like, y'all better learn how to budget. It's getting messy. But what folks don't realize is that this isn't about being irresponsible, it's about survival. Groceries are up almost 20% since 2020, and $200 doesn't stretch like it used to. And what really gets me is how people always find a way to glamorize the struggle, like it's a trend. I saw a TikTok of this mom making budget meals out of literal dollar store ingredients, and everyone's like, OMG, she's so creative. But she's doing it because she has to. This is not an aesthetic. This is real life. We shouldn't be turning people's pain into content, but at the same time, I get it. You gotta do what you can to raise awareness. You know what though? This whole thing is a reminder that community is everything. Like if the system freezes, we gotta unfreeze each other's hearts a little bit. It's giving neighbors, helping neighbors energy. If you got extra, share it. If you see someone struggling, send them a local pantry link, not judgment. Because we can't wait for someone in DC to fix everything overnight. Sometimes it's the girl down the street that saves the day, period. And babes, I saw some reactions online that were just heartbreaking. Like people posting about skipping meals or kids asking why their lunch account is empty. It's so easy to get lost in politics, but the reality hits hardest at the dinner table. Also, there is this wild mix of outrage and hope in the comments. People are starting mutual aid groups, neighborhood meal swaps, and food drives. It's proof that even in chaos, humans can be creative and supportive. We just gotta amplify that energy instead of panicking alone. People might say they'll get back pay or EBT will still work automatically. Not necessarily. Some states may back pay after funding returns, some may not. Don't assume your card will be loaded. Check official updates. Bro, I was reading the alerts and I low-key started crying thinking of people who already stretched $200 a month for the whole household. This affects moms, students, seniors, and it's happening right before the holidays. We gotta keep our receipts on compassion. All right, my loves. Wow, that was heavy, but we needed to spill the tea together. Remember, even when things feel out of control, you're stronger than you think. Life might freeze your benefits for a minute, but your mindset, your heart, and your hustle, that can't be frozen. Keep showing up for yourself and for the people around you. Kindness and action matter more than ever. And hey, while we're talking about showing up for ourselves, don't forget to treat yourself too. My Shopify store has the cutest press-on nails and glossy lip colors that are perfect for keeping your vibes high, even when the world gets messy. Seriously, a pop of color on your nails or lips is a tiny way to reclaim your confidence every single day. Also, babes, if you're looking for a little self-care pick-me-up, check out my press-on sets and lip glosses. They're affordable, fun, and made to make you feel unstoppable. I've got new designs dropping every week, and trust me, they'll make your fingers and your mood shine. Links right in the description. Treat yourself while supporting a small, independent beauty biz. Finally, remember this. Even when life throws curveballs, you can always find little ways to shine. Keep your heart full, your nails glossy, and your goals big. Part 2 is coming, and we're going even deeper into how to protect yourself, stay prepared, and level up your cozy girl vibes this season. Plus, more tips to stay cute, confident, and unstoppable. So subscribe, hit the bell, and get ready, bestie. The tea is only getting hotter.